Hello guys, in this video I am going to introduce this C programming language to you all. I will discuss about the constants. So let's start with the introduction to the C language. So guys, the purpose of writing a program is just to communicate with the computer. We need to instruct the computer what to do. So for that, let's try to understand the concept of the programming language with the help of the analogy with respect to the English language. So like in English language we have alphabets, okay, and when we group those alphabets we form word. Combination of different words, it forms sentences, and then combination of different sentences forms a paragraph which gives a proper meaning to any story, right? Similarly in C language we have the characters, and these characters, it includes this alphabet, digits, special symbols. When these characters are grouped, we form constants or variables or keywords. And the combination of these constant, variables or keywords, with the help of this combination, we are able to write instructions. And when we group these instructions, then we form a complete program. So let's start with the characters. So when we start with the characters, like if you look at the English and the mathematics that we have studied till date, like in English, to write any English literature we need alphabets, and in alphabets we have capital alphabets from A to Z, we have small alphabets from A to Z. In mathematics and also in literature we need digits, and if we look at the digits, we have digits from 0 to 9. Apart from all this, we also sometimes need characters like full stop, comma, hash, dollar symbol, double quote, space, blank space, underscore, minus, plus. So we have this type of characters also. So all these characters, apart from alphabets and digits, whatever characters or whatever keys that you are able to see in your keyboard, they come under the category of special character. So individually this A, Z, B, 0, A9, full stop, plus, minus, individually they are known as characters, right? Now coming to the constants. Now if we talk about constants, as the word is indicating that something is constant, value, it is not going to change, right? Over here the value will remain constant. Now if I talk about in the characters, we have discussed that all these are the possible characters. Now if I talk about, like suppose if there is a number 56, now 56, quantity 56 remains same. Like if whenever someone says 56, then the meaning of 56, it remains same. It does not mean, like suppose let me take one small example, like suppose 3. Now if I am saying that there are 3 chairs, okay, 1 2 3, so 3 means that there are 3 quantity, right? 3 quantity. No one can say that presently this 3 quantity today we are saying that it is 3, tomorrow we cannot say that it is 5. If the quantity is 3, it remains 3. So this 3 is a constant. Suppose like we buy 2 more chairs, okay, so it becomes 5, right? It becomes 5. Now 5 itself is a constant, meaning of 5, it remains constant. If when someone say 5, it means 5 quantity, so it is a constant. So this value 5, 3, 55, 103, so all these quantities are constant. Similarly, if we talk about alphabets, A, meaning of A is constant. We cannot replace A with B. Okay, so all these are constant. Plus is constant, minus is constant, because the meaning of plus, minus, it remains same. We cannot change the meaning. Okay, so these quantities are known as constant, which does not change its value, change its meaning. So we have we have categorized the constant into three categories. One is known as integer, another is real number, third is character. If we talk about integer, like these three category, it comes from mathematics and English, because whenever we want to write any English literature or mathematics, so like in mathematics we may need an integer value. So this 23, 54, all these are constant values. Real number means that if decimal point number is there, like 23.56 or 54.5, so these are the real numbers. So these are known as real number constants. And character, if I want to this A within the single quote, it is known as character constant. If I like B within single quote, 2. Now over here when I write this 2, so the meaning of this 2 over here, since it is inside the single quote, so over here it is considered as a character, it is not a number. Okay, because it is inside the single quote. So if someone write 2, another person write 2 within single quote, so the meaning is different. Over here this 2 is the number, whereas this within single quote, this 2 is the character. Okay, so we have these three type of constants available. Now coming to the rules. Now when I want to write a integer value, so I cannot write, like in mathematics we used to write 1000 like this, but in C language, if we want to represent this 1000, it should be without the comma. We are not allowed to put any comma in between, so it should be without comma. If I want to write, like suppose if the number is this, so I can express this number like this also, means 2.43 e minus 4. Number after e, it indicates the power of 2 or power of 10. Okay, so the part appearing before e is called the mantissa. 2.43 is the mantissa, where the part following e is known as exponent. Okay, so in this way I can express the real number. Okay, I can simply write, like if it is 2.43, I can write it in this way, I can write in this way, I can write in 2.43 e minus 4. Okay, so in this way I can express the real number. This already I have informed you that no comma or blanks are allowed within an integer constant. Rules for writing a character constant, that character constant is a single alphabet, single digit, or a single special symbol enclosed within single inverted commas. Means we can have character like this, single alphabet. We can have character with a single digit like 3 within single quote. We can have character of a special symbol like plus within single quote. If someone express this, so it is not valid. It is not valid because it contains 2 characters. So it is not allowed. It will not be considered as character constant. If someone write this, again it is not a constant because it contains 2 constants, 3 and 2, plus minus. It is not a constant because it contains 2 constants, right? So to write a character constant, we should use only single character enclosed within single quote. So guys, I stop over here, and in the next video I am going to tell you about the variables. So stay tuned with me and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.